Namaste students, welcome to RSV Group of Schools online channel. I am Dr. Ramesh. Today we will start our new chapter, chapter number 1, solid state of class 12th. In this video, we will discuss about the solid part. But students, we know that we have already discussed the detailed explanation of liquid and gas in class 11th, chapter number state of matter. So, the two factors which decide the physical state of three forms of matter, that are intermolecular forces and thermal energy. What is intermolecular forces? The force present between the constituent particles. The constituent particles are atoms, ions and molecules. This force close the constituent particles together. Here this force works as attractive force, not as repulsive force. So we can say that solid have maximum highest intermolecular forces and liquid have medium intermolecular forces and gaseous particles have least intermolecular forces, because in gaseous particles the distance between the particles is too far. So the next factor is thermal energy. What is thermal energy? This thermal energy present in the constituent particles possessed due to temperature. So the thermal energy is minimum in the solids and medium in the liquids and maximum in the gaseous particles. Why it will maximum in the gaseous particles? Because in gaseous particles the distance are too far. Okay, now we will move to our general topic of the solids. These are the characteristics of the solids which explain the characters and their properties. First one is definite shape and definite volume. What is definite shape? See, this is a marker. It is solid. The students, they have not changed their shape. Their shape is definite. If we compress this, if we press this, then it will break. So solids have definite shape and definite volume. Let's see, we can take a 2 liter of cold drink bottle. So we remove the cold drink by the water. आप इसमें वाटर फिल कीजिए कोल्ड ड्रिंक की जगह, तो आपको क्या मिलेगा? This cold drink bottle contain only 2 liter water. So we can say that the solids have definite volume. Next property is incompressibility. Students, you know that if we take a crystal lattice and compress this from all sides, then you see this will not compress. Why it will not compress? Because the distance between them is very less. Why the distance between them very less? Because the constituent particles are very highly closely packed. So we say the solids have incompressibility. Yani they have low compressibility sometimes, but mostly the solids have incompressibility. Due to incompressibility, the solid particles are hard, rigid and dense. Okay, next property is the solid particles does not have any fluidity. Solids के अंदर बहने की प्रवृत्ति नहीं होती, solid flow नहीं होता. Same condition, the intermolecular forces are high in between the particles. The particles are highly packed, so they do not flow. But in the liquid and gaseous particles, the distance are maximum, so the liquid and gas are फ्लो. हम ये कह सकते हैं नदी बहती है, लेकिन हम ये नहीं कह सकते कि ये मार्कर बहता है, because this is solid particle. Next and last, that is the solids can oscillate at their mean position. What is this? Oscillate means they can vibrate at their fixed position. Let's see, we can imagine if we journey in a crowded bus and we are surrounded by many of peoples, then आप क्या देखेंगे वहां कि आप अगर कोई हल्का सा झटका आता है तो आपका वहां मूवमेंट नहीं हो सकता, आप वहां किसी को कुछ कह नहीं सकते, ओनली क्या होंगे, हल्के से वाइब्रेट होंगे या उस फिक्स पोजीशन पे ऑसिलेट हो सकते हैं। सेम कंडीशंस आर अकर इन द सॉलिड पार्टिकल्स, also they have no any space due to which they can oscillate and they can vibrate at their fixed position. Okay, now we can also take some exceptional cases regarding solid. We can take an example of sponge. बच्चों, आपको मैंने कहा कि स्पंज जो है वो इसका एक एग्जाम्पल है, लेकिन स्पंज के अंदर तो गैसियस पार्टिकल्स होते हैं, उसको अगर हम कंप्रेस करते हैं तो कंप्रेस होता है। रीजन क्या है? प्रेजेंस ऑफ गैसियस पार्टिकल्स। ओके, बट वो फिर भी सॉलिड है, तो बच्चों रीजन यही है कि उसको कंप्रेस करेंगे तो ही वो कंप्रेस होगा, अदरवाइज वो कंप्रेस नहीं होगा। इट इज एन एक्सेप्शनल पार्ट ऑफ दिस सॉलिड। अनदर एग्जांपल इज रबर. Rubber also an example of solid. It is not an particular fixed solid, लेकिन they have no definite shape. If we stretch the rubber, then it becomes stretched. When it remove the अपनी external force, then it again contain their original position. So we can say that it is another example of solids. Thank you.